Thank you for watching this Edganizer school app walkthrough. This tutorial is designed for school teachers and will help you utilize the announcements and calendar features in the app. When you first sign in, you will land on the home screen. That's the screen we're looking at right now. This screen allows you to navigate to each feature of the app simply by tapping on the relevant icon. Before we do that, I'm going to tap on the menu in the top left, which will tell us that we are Professor Severus Snape, a teacher in the chemistry department in the school. Okay, so let's go back to the home screen. First thing you're going to want to do is tap on the following icon in the top right. The following feature manages all the clubs, athletic teams, and potentially classes at the school. So if you're a club advisor at the school, you want to go to the clubs part of the following section and tap the plus sign in the top right corner, which will pull up the new club form. So just fill in your club information here. And maybe you want to write a description of your club so students know what it's all about. And then find yourself on the staff list, which is alphabetized by teacher last name, and tap your name. Then tap add. Okay, so now you've created your club, and maybe you also want to create a class. So slide over to the classes section, tap the plus icon again, and fill out the new class form. So maybe this is chemistry for U1. And same idea, you can add a description if you'd like. So grade 12 chemistry section 1. And same idea again, just find yourself on the staff list and tap your name, tap add. Great. Before we move on, you're also going to want to tap the checkboxes next to any of the classes, teams, and clubs you've created, as well as any clubs, teams, and classes that you'd like to see announcements for or get event announcements for in the calendar. So once you've done that, just tap the back icon in the top left corner to go back to the home screen, and then tap the announcements icon. So this will show you all the announcements at the school in chronological order. So you can just scroll through if you'd like. But maybe we want to make an announcement today. So to do so, you just tap the plus icon in the top right again and fill out the new announcement form. So for every announcement, you need to select a tag. So your options will be either the whole school, which means everyone at the school will receive the announcement, or you can select any club, team, or class that you've created. So maybe we're going to make an announcement today for the Potions Club, and maybe something like the Potions Club meeting on November 2nd is canceled. And you can make a body of the announcement. So something like, we will reschedule later. Okay, then tap OK. And we can see at the top that there's a new announcement for the Potions Club made by Professor Severus Snape on October the 31st. So maybe you made a spelling mistake, or you might want to just delete the announcement for whatever reason. If you put your finger on the announcement that you've made and slide it to the right, you'll get a pencil icon to edit it and a trash can icon to delete it. So if we tap the edit, we can change the spelling if we made a mistake. And this was for the Potions Club. Tap edit. Okay. So that's how you make an announcement. Tap the back icon again to go back to the home screen. And then we're going to talk about the calendar icon. So tap the calendar. And you can scroll through and view all the events at the school that are registered in the app. And maybe you want to make an event for one of your clubs, teams, or classes. So just tap on the date in the calendar. So maybe November the 4th. Tap the plus icon in the top right and fill out the event form. So this is for the Potions Club. We're going to have a meeting at 12 noon. So Potions Club meeting is the name of the event. And maybe you want to put a description, something like we'll be meeting in dungeon number 2. Tap OK. And now for November the 4th, we have a event scheduled in the calendar. So if you want to see what events are going on other days, you can just tap that day. So that's October the 21st, or if we want to go back in time, something like September the 15th. If you want to see all of the events at the school and not just the events for the clubs, teams, and classes that you're following, just tap the icon next to the plus icon in the top right. And now it'll show you all the events that are going on at the school. So that will include all the clubs, teams, and classes that you are not following. Okay. Last thing, if you've made an event and you need to edit it or delete it, it's the exact same thing as the announcements. You just put your finger on the event, slide to the right, and there's a yellow pencil to edit and a red trash can to delete. So thank you for watching this Edganizer school app walkthrough. If you need any assistance using the app, please contact your school administrator for assistance.